Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about the dangers of going to your local Atwood or Tractor Supply or local feed store that happens to have a nursery. People may know about the dangers of going and getting new chickens or ducks or turkeys or rabbits that they weren't planning on getting. Well, we went for chicken feed and we came home with 18 strawberry plants. They were only 79 cents each. So my husband was like, I like strawberries and these are under $1 each. So let's get some. And I'm like, okay, let's grab like 2 or 3. And he goes, all right, I got what I wanted. And he grabbed an entire flat, 9 June-bearing strawberries and 9 ever-bearing strawberries. And so now I have to go find a place to put these all because I had completely planned out my garden space and 18 new strawberry plants weren't in that plan. What is that? A show? Okay. So there's that. So these are the 18 that we got. 9 in the front here are everbearing. They're called Fort Laramie, as you can see. And these 9 in the back are Eclair June bearing. Some of them are already flowering and producing little strawberries. So we should probably get these outside soonish. But I don't know where to put them yet. Hey guys, little update on my old seeds. Here's the sage. I don't see any sprouts yet. It's March 11th, so it's been a little while. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these out of their baggies and put them in soil and just wait and see what happens. And just keep the soil moist and yeah, we'll see. We moved the chickens out to our sunroom because, well, they're getting bigger now and they smell, and we want them to start getting used to not being completely climate controlled all the time. And I still have a little space heater in here and I have it set to 62, so if it gets down below 62 it kicks on, and they still have their heat lamp and they have the majority of all of their feathers. And another new thing is we switched from the pine to straw, and it smells so much better and it is so much less dusty, and I still have to dust from before. I mean, look at that. That's all from the pine shavings. That's all from pine shavings. It's so gross and it's all over the place. I need to vacuum. Maybe stop spraying the floor. I have to vacuum everything again, but I mean, look at this. Ugh, that's from pine. That's from the pine shavings. So we switched to some, we switched to like the hay straw stuff. I just got a thing of this bedding from Atwoods just because I didn't want to get a whole bale of straw or hay. And so Catherine baby stopped spraying me. So of course I took the plastic thing down. I had a plastic tarp down underneath the pine shavings, and I took that off, and I think I might put another one back because of that. So yeah, just wanted to give you that little update.
Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.